Most garage doors are going to be 16 to 18 feet wide. These are the doors that you're going to commonly have problems with. The first thing that you're probably going to notice is it's going to have some cracks above the door. Most lintels sag because of two reasons. One, they're either undersized. Two, they're installed improperly. The builder fails to install the lintel properly. He doesn't attach it to the wood header that's in behind the door that extends over the top of the garage door opening. Our repair plan is simple. USS foreman will come out. He'll simply remove approximately 4 brick from above the garage door lintel. We'll install some temporary vertical support. Once that support has been installed, we're going to use that support to help lift the lintel to try to correct the settlement. Once the lift is complete, we'll drill through the back side of the lintel, and we're going to install the 1/2-inch lag bolts, which is going to secure the lintel to the header spanning above the garage door. Once this is complete, the lintel is secure. We will remove the vertical supports that were installed. We will replace the brick that were removed, and we'll tuck point all the cracks.